Right while I'm working, this thing just pulls up, driven by that pretty pit bull. What's up, doggy? Pretty cool. What's up, pup? What you doing, bud? You driving this old 40 Ford? It's okay. 46 Ford?
What do you think there, buddy?
That's cool. I'm shooting a little video.
Was in a barn for 61 years. You don't need big old monsters.
302. Is this Ford air conditioning or is this
That's a vintage air.
That's the vintage air.
$1,200. Shorty headers.
Shorty stainless headers?
Yeah,
very
stainless,
nice.
aluminum intake, 600 Holly. It's got an AOD, automatic overdrive transmission.
Okay, so it gets good gas mileage.
Yeah,
Goes
it
down
has
the highway.
a Mustang 2 front end with disc brakes. It has a Ford Explorer rear end with disc brakes.
Again, that's a
traction,
bulletproof rear axle.
373 gear, posi in the rear. I had the interior done.
The interior looks good. Some sort of digital camo.
Yeah, something different.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
me and the dog.
It's beautiful. Air conditioning? You have to have air conditioning in Florida.
Cruise control on it too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this will definitely be a highway cruiser then.
I brought a
Especially with
camper
the
home, a mid-60s camper. I just drove this back from Illinois about a week and a half ago.
All right.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Unrestored body.
Bimmer, you're on TV. You're going to be on video, Bimmer.
You're going to be
You're
on
a pretty
YouTube.
boy.
Check me out. I'll put you on YouTube. I'm a handyman Mark on YouTube. It's nice meeting you. I'm Mark.
Richard Breeding would be me.
All right.
Well,
Look
I'm
for-
going to go find him and see what he's doing. Your neighbor.
Look up handyman Mark on YouTube and
Okay.
I'll get you
I
up
will.
there.
Take care.
All right. We got hot rods everywhere. It's a good day for hot rods.